Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to add a work email address in the Airbnb application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and in the right corner you will find the profile option. Press on it. And now you should scroll down a little bit, and under the settings category you will find the travel for work option. Press on it, and here you can see the only option presented to you, which is the work email, and here you can write in a work email address. Now I personally don't have any work email address, so it doesn't matter what I will try, it wouldn't really work. So you can see here, if I press add work email, unfortunately it is not a work email address. But if you provide here your own and it is legit, after you press on add work email, it will appear here in the list, and it will be associated with your profile. So yeah, this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.